In today's lecture, we'll try to understand the basics of the recursion with the help of Xcode IDE and Swift programming language. So basically, what recursion is? Generally in recursion, what we saw in the general terms, that a function called itself, okay, it's call itself till the base condition is reached. Okay, so that is the general mechanical kind of in a very mechanical way of answering. But actually recursion, in the recursion we divide a problem into small sub problems, and by solving those sub problems one by one we reach till our destination. Okay, so we will try to understand recursion with the help of a problem, and the problem is that calculate factorial of a number. Factorial. So factorial of a number we will calculate. It is the number, its parameter is passing, and it is int. So generally we know that factorial of any number, let's say 5, it is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, means factorial means start multiplying the number with its next numbers till 1. So basically here we are calculating a factorial of a number. So first we pass 5, then we don't know what is the, then basically we need to calculate that 4 into 3. So basically if you see that we are calculating 5 with the factorial of its next number, means 5's previous number, not next. Okay, so 5 into factorial 4 will be the answer. So now when it comes to the factorial 4 will be 4 into factorial 3 will be the answer. When factorial 3 into factorial 2 will be the answer, and when factorial 2 into factorial 1 will be the answer, and then factorial 1 means it is 0, and for 0 also factorial answer is 1. Okay, so see, we have dividing the problem into smaller chunks and then solving it. I will show you how it will work. So first we need to understand, I need to put one base condition. Okay, base condition from where that factorial will break. That you see we are multiplying the 5 to 1. So 1 next is 0. From 0 will return 0, it will be 1. But we can't calculate factorial of a negative number. So we put a base condition. If number is less than 0, we will return 1. Okay, and if the number is equal to 0, then return 1. The factorial 0 of any number, factorial of a number 0 is 1. After that we will return the equation, our recursive equation. What it is? Num into factorial of that number minus 1, the previous number. Okay, sorry, here I have not given the return statement. Okay, so now we'll calculate 5. How 5 will work? Let's say pass the value 5. 5 is less than 0? No. 5 is equal to 0? Yes, return 1. Then 5 into factorial is previous number. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then when it comes to 4, factorial 4, 4 is less than 0, no. 4 is equal to 0, no. So 4 into factorial, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then comes here, 3 is less than 0, no. 3 is equal to 0, no. 3 into factorial 3 minus 1, that is 2. So factorial 2. 2 is less than 0, no. 2 is equal to 0, no. So 2 into factorial 2 minus 1, 1. Now 1, num 1 is less than 0, no. Num is equal to 0, no. So 1 to factorial 1 minus 1 is 0. So num is less than 0, no. Num is equal to 0, return 1. See, sorry, here it is, I will return minus 1. Minus 1 means we will understand that the invalid number has been passed. Okay. That will be printed. So now you will see that in the dry run we are calculating the factorial of 5 to 1. So in the, now we'll, so with that ID, that how it is getting calculated, we'll pass that let as input as of now I am giving as 5. Then let answer will be factorial of number, and that is my input answer, and I will print answer. Now I will run it. You see that the answer is printed as 120. That is the correct answer. Okay, now we'll show with the simulation of this program. Okay. See, number is 5. 5 is not less than 0. 5 is not equal to 0. 5 factorial 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 less than no. Number is 4. No. So 4 into factorial 4 minus 1, 3. You see number is 3. Number is number minus 1, that is 2. 2 into 2 minus 1, that will be 1. Number is 1. 1 into 1 minus 1, 0. So number is 0. So number is equal to 0. It will return 1. Okay. And then come back to 1. Then 1 into 1, that will be 1. It's come back to 2. 2 into factorial 1, 2. Then 3 into 2, that is 6. Now 4 into factorial 3, that is 24. Then 5 into factorial 4, 120. Here is the answer. So here we are solving a small problems and then we reach the destination. Means from 5 pass, then 4, 3, 2, 1 till the 1. So factorial 1 I calculate, pass it to the caller function, the answer. Then 2 into 1, answer become 2. Then it will return it to its caller function, that is 3 into factorial 2. So 3 into 2, 6. That 6 answer will be returned to its caller function, which is 4 into factorial 3, that is 6 into 4, 24. Then it will call to the caller function 5 into 4, that is 24, that is 120. So that's how recursion works. So in the recursion, basically we need a base condition, base conditions and a recursive equation. Okay, that two part. And here we will also want to give you one information, that one thumb rule of software engineering, that every recursive problem can be solved with iteration and every iterative problem can be solved with the recursion. So as I show you that I calculate it as factorial as a recursion, but it can be also solved using iteration, means with the help of a loop. that I will show you. Here I will pass as in out. Okay, and variable answer is equal to 1, and while my number is greater than 0, I will calculate the number, that answer into equal to number, and number minus equal to 1, and then return answer. Here I will pass as ampersand, sorry for this in out. Basically why I put in out, because in a Swift when you write a function and if we give mark the any parameter as a in out, only normal number without in out, as per the Swift rule it will become a constant. So to make it variable I pass the keyword in out here. Okay, and in out can't be a constant, it has to be a variable. So you see that answer is 1. Now number is 5 is greater than 0, answer into 5, 1 into 5 is 5, then number is minus 1, 4. So 4 greater than 0, 5 into 4 is 20. Okay, so now number is minus 1, it's 3. So 5 into 4 into 3, 20 into 3 is 60. 60, now number is greater than 0. That is how much? 5 into 3 is 3 is minus 1 is 2. So 5 into 4 into 3, 5 into 4, 20 into 3, 60 into 2, it will be 160. Then number minus 1 is 1. Then 1 greater than 0, answer is 120 into 1, 120, number is 0. So it is greater than, then this our condition, that loop breaking condition is violated, we will return the answer. So in case of recursion we break the function calls with the help of base condition, and in case of while loop, in case of iteration we break the iteration with the help of loop breaking condition. Okay, that is the difference. Now I will run it and show you. See, 5 into 5, it is answer was 5, and now number is 4. 4 is greater than 4, 5 into 4, 20. So number minus 1 is 3. 20 into 3. Okay, number is 3, answer is 20 into 3, answer is 60. Number minus 1, it is 2. 2 greater than 0. Okay, so 2 into 120. Now it is 1. 1 is also greater than 0, answer is 120, number is 0, loop condition violated, the answer will return as 120. So hope you understand this concept, that every recursion problem can be solved with the help of iteration, and every iteration problem can be solved with the recursion. So now we will discuss, so I will write this thumb rule here. Every recursive problem can be solved using iteration, and every iterative problem can be solved using recursion. That is one thumb rule. And with the help with this formula, or with this statement, generally based on this statement, generally a very important question is there, that is generally asked in the interviews, that print 1 to 100 with the help of any loop. So interviewer you are telling you that don't use loop, okay, but you have to print 1 to 100, means he wants to know that you know this thumb rule or not, that every iterative problem can be solved with recursion and every recursive problem solved with iteration or not. So that problem we will solve with the help of recursion, that print 1 to 100. So that I will show you how we'll do that. Function print 1 to 100, okay, and here that function that print num. What is the print number? Number is int comma, we'll pass a target. Target is that number where you want to reach, means at which point we'll stop. So now you will put the break base condition, that if number is equal to target plus 1, then return. Or you can say that if num is greater than target, then return, else print number, and inside that we will call the function again. What is that? Number, that is the number, and target is this target. Sorry, this number will be increment by 1. Means if we pass first 1, then 1 will be printed, then it will go for 2. Okay, and print 1 to 100, we are calling this function. So this target is the where we, till what point we want to print. Now number is, we are passing here 1 because 1 to 100 we want to print here. Target is 100. So if you pass the target as 500, it will print 1 to 500. Okay, so now we will call this method here. And the view did load. See, it's print 1 to 100, 1 to 100, but we have not used any loop here. We solve it with the help of recursion. So this question is very important for interview purpose. Okay, generally just interviewer wants to know that you know that thumb rule or not. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please tap the like button and subscribe my channel for to get more videos like that. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much.